In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get purchase power on Klarna, quick and easy. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to check your purchase power and use it at almost any online store, even if that store doesn't officially partner with Klarna. First, the quick setup. Open your browser's extension store and search for the Klarna extension. Install it, then click the new icon in your toolbar and log in. Right inside that menu, you'll usually see your current purchase power, which is Klarna's estimate of how much you can spend today using their financing options. That amount changes over time based on factors like your payment history and account standing. Now, shop as you normally would. When you reach a checkout page, the extension will wake up and ask if you want to pay with Klarna. Say yes, and it will spin up a one-time card tied to your purchase power. This is a virtual card that Klarna funds for you. The extension can automatically fill in the card number, expiration date, and security code so you can complete payment without leaving the site. Quick tip: include taxes, shipping, and any fees when you decide your amount. One time cards are single use, tied to one merchant, and they expire if you don't use them promptly. If you'd rather skip installing an extension, you can do everything in your browser through Klarna's site. Go to Klarna.com and log into your account. Use the search bar there to find the store you want to shop at. Klarna will open a framed version of that store so you can browse and add items to your cart like normal. When you're ready to pay, look for a pink Pay with Klarna button at the bottom of your browser window. Clicking it will guide you through creating a one-time card for that purchase. If you don't see the button or the store doesn't show Klarna at checkout, you can still make it work. Choose the option to create a one-time card, enter the amount you plan to spend, and Klarna will generate a virtual Visa card for you. Back on the store's checkout page, pick credit card as the payment method and paste those Klarna card details. If your total changes after you generate the card, cancel it and make a new one to avoid declines. Also, be sure your billing details match what's in your Klarna account, and that's it. Install the extension for the easiest experience or use Klarna.com to create a one-time card on demand. Check your purchase power, pay at checkout, and you're done.